Alright, YouTube, let's go ahead and finish this up real quick. Alright, so we just cleaning up the battery post. Alright, so get a better start in this thing. This is all done. So what you want to do too, you want to clean up pretty good. Just get some peroxide and some water and stick it in there. It'll eat a lot of this stuff out like you're seeing on the video. A little more that I want to get to. I'm not satisfied with, but I need to put a little more in there. Alright, so some of this corrosive out of here, but I do have terminal cleaning spray here. This should help a lot too. Get some of that out of there. That'll foam up. It'll eat a lot of that stuff away. As you can see, that will definitely foam up and eat a lot of that stuff off there. See, what I can't get, that will get it. So that's terminal cleaning spray. So it'll get a lot of that off there. So I guess it works pretty good. Let it sit for a little while. So you can flush out of here, flush out of here. So what it's going to do is going to eat away some of this. Definitely eat away some of this corrosive out of here. So it's always good to prep now before the winter comes. Do it before the winter comes. You don't want to have to wait till the winter comes, and now you're starting to get this stuff together, because it could be nasty. So you want to do it now. Get it out the way as you can. Let it eat some of that stuff off. And just hit it with some water. Wash it down. Get some of that stuff out of there. Eat a lot of that stuff out. Alright, start getting this stuff back together real quick. Get up under here. Get up under here pretty decent. Alright, that's about it. Look a whole lot better than it before. Alright. Just wanna trying to get deep in here. pretty much just how you clean out the battery terminal and clean the batteries up from a poor start, cold start, just for, you know, electrical start. It helps a lot, believe me. It definitely helps a lot to clean your battery post up and all the extra stuff that comes with it. That's it. So I put it all back together, tie it all down, that's all. Some water out of here. Battery tray real quick. I had to soak this and clean that up pretty good. That was full with corrosive. It was full of it. All right. That's pretty much it is. So as you can see, we got inside the battery tray cleaned up. All right, so we got the inside of it clean. So now we're about to put this plastic piece back in there and put everything back together. Right there. This bar here goes in the back here. So we gotta do now. Get this back in here. And it's all pretty bad, but it comes with the car, so you gotta put it right everything back when you take it out. now. I'll leave it there. Check it out. Pull it up. Let's get the barrier. Get that in there. All right, people, thanks for watching. Make sure you like, subscribe to the channel. Make sure you share this on all your social media platforms. This is your boy DIY Trucker, aka J Quill Talk Live. So if you can't find it on, you will see it posted on my community tab on J Quill Talk Live, but it will be on DIY Trucker J. Or I might switch it. It you know, whatever I feel like putting that. But thanks for watching, and make sure you hit the like, share, and subscribe button. And take care of yourself, take care of your cars, keep wrenching, keep wrenching. That's what it's all about. All right, we out here. Like I said, thanks for watching.